Hi, I'm Stephen Hoepfner. I'm here today at the Goody patch in Goodwood, and we're going to be talking about pruning fruit trees. The garden shears, again, they have a bevel, and so all you want to do is hold them on a flat surface, and then with your stone, shine up that edge all the way along. If you're only shining up the cutting edge or the top of the bevel, then you know you haven't got the angle right and you have to work that angle out. As soon as you find the angle, you can just move that angle across, and you'll find with a bit of practice it'll become second nature. Do that on both sides, and then again, just between the two cutting edges, a little bit of lubrication, right as rain. For the saw, you do need a special file that will put the edge back on the teeth, because the teeth cut on the inside edge. It's not advised to use a stone on these, although I have done it in a panic. If you've ever cut through a piece of your tree and then someone's put a wire around it and you've taken all the edges off and you still need to cut, it's a good emergency move, but not recommended. And exactly the same with your larger loppers as well. These ones have been through the wars, they've got some nicks taken out of the edge, but if you just keep doing this slowly over the years, you take those nicks out, and it'll be brand new again, as long as you don't put any new ones in, which is highly unlikely. It's looking pretty good. That's all the maintenance you really need to do. I mean, if you want to get fancy, you can take them completely apart and clean them up, clean all the surfaces. But to tell you the truth, I haven't done that in probably 3 or 4 years, because it's just not being necessary. Oh, that's like new again. There you have it. The only other thing I would suggest is that you get a mix of methylated spirits, 70%, and water, 30%, and spray that on your tools between trees. So if you're going from one tree to another, you just want to spray any of the cutting surfaces, and that's going to kill any bacteria or fungus that might be on your tool that you might then implant into your next tree as you cut it. The only thing it doesn't kill is viruses. You need household bleach for that. I just don't recommend carrying around household bleach, on you. It's a bit more nasty than metho. But if you know you're going to be cutting a tree that's got a virus, definitely clean your tools with bleach. Cut.